In the fourth industrial era, there are a lot of people interested in drones, but there aren't a lot of drone experts compared to the interest. The Drone Cultural Contents Lab came up with an idea. How about making a drone kit that could allow anyone to learn easily? Introducing the multi-frame drone of the Drone Cultural Contents Lab, made with accumulated technology and know-how. The multi-frame drone is an educational drone kit that enables anyone to easily learn the basic principles and assembly methods of drones through education, and consists of high-tech parts such as carbon-based mainframes and motor arms, PCB, ESC, FC, receiver, and BLDC motor, etc., that provide drone flight control and power. The FC, which acts as the brain of the drone, is compatible with various types regardless of the manufacturer, and all parts can be manufactured without soldering and can be easily disassembled for storage in a dedicated case. Multi-frame drones can be customized in a variety of forms, from tricopters to Y6 copters, quadcopters, X8 copters, hexacopters, dodecacopters, and octocopters. Multi-frame drones don't just end with educational aircraft. By replacing the motor arms, they can be used in various applications, such as pest control and advertising. Multi-frame drones can easily be set up for flight tests by beginners as well as experts using a dedicated program. After installing a structure using an indoor safety flight case, a flight test can safely be conducted indoors by stably supplying power to the drone through a 220-volt converter. And a flight test can also be conducted outdoors by supplying power using a battery. By applying open-source-based remote indoor flight control technology, you can perform flight test and control training while viewing the PC screen anytime, anywhere. And equipped with Wi-Fi, 4G, 5G, and telemetry, remote control is available with access to the internet. Now, anyone can easily become an expert in drone control with a multi-frame drone.